Hello everyone, Irliana Samsara here, StarSoundAstrology.com. We are in lovely Mount Dora, Florida, in a gazebo, and there's these lovely birds. It's a great spring day. Just check out this beautiful scenery. Right behind it, there's a lake and all these beautiful cattails and wild grasses. But I'm here to talk to you about a very important development that's happening this year. It's the planet of Uranus is moving into the sign of Taurus, an earth sign. So that is a very big game changer. And that's because Uranus, which is Aquarian energy, you could say the age of Aquarius, represents philanthropic and humanitarian ventures and energies and ideas. And now that it's moving into Taurus, it means that Taurus rules our personal possessions and our personal value system, what's important to us, our talents and our skills, and it also reveals, it's also personal possessions and finances. So Uranus in this sign is going to really shake things up and ask us to question what is really truly important to us. And wouldn't it be more in this way of helping humanity and helping the earth, because it's in an earth sign and Uranus is all about helping humanity. So in honor of Earth Day and April and Uranus's movement into Taurus on May 15th, where it will be for 8 years, that means that every day is going to be Earth Day. So all that wonderful movement and innovation that opened in the 60s when Uranus was conjunct or side by side in Virgo with Pluto, that created all this enormous change in the consciousness about Mother Earth. And now it's going to again be in an earth sign in Virgo. So this is really exciting. So we get to have like Earth Day every day. So I have two really cool friends of mine here, Mike and Jody, and they are going to talk to you. They're two of the most green people I know. So I thought, hey, it would be good to find out, okay, this is wonderful news, but how do we take this into our lives, and how do we embody and make these changes that will assist the earth? Because the more we assist the earth and the more we take control of our destiny and stand for these innovations and solutions that are harmonious and helpful to the earth, the more consciousness will shift in that direction. Because the dark or shadow side of Uranus is, if it's not managed well, what you see is catastrophe and chaos. So to stay out of that chaos quadrant, so to speak, what we want to do is be proactive and make conscious choices that benefit all of humanity. So anyway, let me introduce you to Mike. Where's Mike? Mike, there's Mike.
Hey,
Archer.
how are you doing?
Hey, he's wearing a green shirt.
That's right. Thank you very much, Irliana. It's beautiful out here today on the shoreline of Lake Dora in Mount Dora, Florida. One of the things we've noticed, little alligators swimming around, beautiful little dragonflies. It's a gorgeous place. And as you already know, nobody needs to tell you this, plastic bag pollution is one of the worst things going on right now on the planet. It's happening everywhere. Different countries are trying to take steps to limit this pollution problem. It's particularly bad in the USA, where we have amazing amounts of waste, just tragic amounts of waste. And what we're talking about today is something that everyone can do, no matter where you live, no matter what your situation. It costs nothing, but you can help. When they tell you, take this plastic bag, please say no. They'll tell you, well, yeah, it's okay, you can recycle it. No, only about 5, maybe 10% of these plastic bags ever get recycled.
I never knew that.
Yes, wow. They end up in the water, they end up in the lakes, they end up in the beaches, and they kill marine life. They kill birds, they kill marine life. So please, the first thing is simply say no. I don't want a plastic bag. I brought my own bag. You can bring your own bags, and people say, well, okay, great. I forgot it. I'm at the store, I have a bag, it's at home, I forgot it. Well, here's what you do, okay? You promise yourself, you take a sincere pledge, you promise yourself, Whenever I go shopping, I will bring my own bag. And you build that into your daily routine. Just put it in your vehicle, put it on your bike, whatever you do, however you shop, keep a bag or two with you. Bring your own bag. That will solve so much of the bag pollution problem that's going on around the world. It will save so many animals. These animals die because the plastic doesn't break down. If you throw out a banana, it's going to break down. When plastic bags get blown around the world, they don't break down. They break up into smaller microtoxins, and those microtoxins spread in the water, in the air. They spread across the ground. In Texas, they call them urban tumbleweed. It's a big problem, but you can help solve it just by making a personal commitment. Bring your bag. Thank you very much. Thank you, Earliana. I'm grateful for this chance to talk to you.
Now let's check in with Jody. Here's Jody.
Hi. Hi. And I think I'm feeling the influence because we started this campaign, and I just wanted to show you how there's no wrong way to not use a plastic bag that they give you at the store. This is a big bag that came from IKEA. And it was $1, but it'll last forever, and I'll keep it probably forever in my trunk.
Totally waterproof.
Some bags, that's right. Some bags have beautiful messages. Oh, it's going to be backwards.
Hello, beautiful.
It's going to be backwards, but it says hello, beautiful. Now, one of the things that we're doing recently is we're recycling and repurposing T-shirts. This was a T-shirt. Here's the top of it.
Okay.
Here's the top of it. This is where the neck part was, and here are the handles, and here's the bottom. And then I put it on my shoulder, and it's like a vegetable sack, or you can carry books in it, whatever you want.
The French have done that for years. The fillet, the little net, the fish net.
Yes, exactly.
This is so cool, and it's free. We love free.
That's right. So instead of filling up your, landfill, throwing this in the garbage, or even, obviously you can recycle T-shirts in many different ways, but you don't have to buy the grocery bags that the stores sell. They do sell some really cute ones. Oh, I forgot. I did have one, but I guess I left it in the car. It has a pretty picture on it, but you can pay a couple of dollars for reusable grocery bags, or you can find things that you would normally recycle. And it doesn't matter how it looks. Sometimes it even looks better. This one says Green Fair.
Green Fair.
And of course, it's going to be backwards, but still, you can use any T-shirt you want.
And it's easy. It doesn't require any skill or anything. Anybody can do it.
So maybe next time we'll show you how to repurpose T-shirts into usable bags.
Stay tuned for our next video. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. Hopefully we can get you to demo that.
Yes, I'd love to.
Yeah, we'll do a demo. So, yeah, keep on green. Remember, Uranus going into Taurus, man. This is a big game changer. And we can make the most of it. We can use this energy in a really positive fashion. So thank you all. Thank you all for listening. And leaving you for the moment, Ileana Samsara, Star Sound Astrology. Thank you. Namaste. Blessings.